We got some stuff to unbox. I got my niece to help me hold the camera while I open these packages. Alright, so the first package, I believe this is from my boy Ruck Style UK here on YouTube. Oh, I almost cut myself. Oh Lord, I don't want to cut too deep. Dang, he wrapped this up. That's that United Kingdom wrapping, huh? Jesus. Hold on. I'm probably getting roasted all through the comments, huh, Apple? Yeah. He wrapped the hell out of this thing. Alright. Hey, got me a hat. My man Ruck Style sent me some gear too. Oh, this might be a little too short for me. It's too small. But it's okay. My dog came clutch. Alright, next package comes from a company that sponsored your boy some apparel gear. You know what I'm saying? Zip ties. You got some competition. Oh, seriously, my man Dumb Smart New York sent me this, dog. Got a dope clothing brand. I was like, yo, I'd love to be a part of it. And here we have some merch. We got Dumb Smart Tee with their track pants. And flames, boy. Oh yeah, these flames. I like these. My front of the shirt, the rear, flames. So shout out to Dumb Smart New York. I'll actually have an actual post about this on my Instagram. Reached out to me, and then my last package came from Zip Ties. Zip Ties knew they had competition, so they sent me something else. What we have right here is, pretty sure it's a windbreaker. Yep. I have. Oh wait. Oh no. Never mind. I got that. A new shirt. And last but not least, windbreaker, camo windbreaker. And here's the windbreaker that Zip Ties sent me, the shirt, the slap, that just launched out. And remember, I have a discount code for them. Use code Zosh and save 15% off Playboy. So thank you to everyone who sent me some merch this month. But let's go to Randy's house. I'm hungry, bro. Me need some food now. Me no bomba cleat. It's hot! We got Master Tech in the building, bro. Spring compressor Master Tech. Wow, bro. You're a beast, bro. Hey, let me get your K20, bro. I couldn't hear you, bro. What you said? You said I can take it? Hey, I'm going K-Series. Ice, 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 yeah.
Goodbye.
Ooh wee. Look at that background. Look at the colors. This is heat, son. This is heat, heat, heat. So, surprisingly, I'm about to go meet up with the homie Food Stamps. If you've been watching my channel for like the longest time, since my high school vlog, me and the homie Deshaun had a collective group called Tiger Click, right? I'm P Dollars, he's Food Stamps. So right now, I'm about to head over to Food Stamps' homeboy's crib, who's like an engineer, I think, and we're gonna make another song. So the return of P Dollars. the booty eating bandit. Bro, I'm an original booty eater, bro. Because now all these new wave rappers talking about how they love to do it. Even though I've never done it, me and Food Stamp's been rapping about eating butt since 10th grade, bro. 10th grade. So, and that was like what? Almost, I don't know how many years ago. Like 7 years ago? 8 years ago? I don't know. Can't remember. But that's what I'm about to get ready to do right now. Head over there and make some flames. Because that's what I do. And yeah, so I'll see you guys over there.
I might trap if I want to, jug if I want to, pull up on your block full of smoke if I want to, poke if I put a bag on your head. Yeah, I've been in the trap, you they're W. This since I ran on the plug, I hit on the jug, I'm stacking my chips, I'm in the tip, my wrist on the slopes, bitch in the coop, you the zoo. My got bangs, niggas are eyes, you just lame, you is a liar, niggas don't.
And that's all, folks.
I took the Ruck, bro. I took my little scoop. Hey, bro, you know what I'm saying?
I was a little wet though.
Oh, damn, it did get wet.
Got drizzled on.
Oh, damn, that bitch soaked. Oh. It's gonna be wet in
the whip.
Super facts. So it's the next day, and now I'm about to head over to the homie JB's residence because I have to drop off something and he has to test something on my car. So that's what I got to do. And when I get back, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I got some major plans coming, bro. Like, y'all don't understand what's... Y'all don't understand.
A big part of me resents is that I knew from when I started in this shit. They see what I got and man, it's hard to be content. What they got going, man, I gotta represent.
Drake's hard, bro. Even if he don't write it, he's hard. He's hard, son.
It's a rolling, not a stop. Why shit don't never stop.
It's a big league. Whoa, it's a big league. It's a big league. From nothing to something, now we up in the big league. Yeah, yeah.
I think it's different.
Don't think it's different, bro.
Oh, I think it's different.
No, don't think it's different, bro. Okay, so from the last clip you've seen, I went by JB's place to do some test fitting, and sadly we can't do what we have planned. Well, we are gonna do it, but it won't be as like awesome as we both would have wanted. So yeah, come this weekend, me and JB actually got install video for you guys, so you guys get to meet JB, and I get a dope fuel pump thing added to my car where it's going to be on a relay, which means that it's always going to be running full voltage. I believe he told me not to say like it's gonna run 12 volts because something like there's a special term. I don't know, I'm dumb. But right now I gotta go pick up my nephew, and then I don't know, close out the vlog, I guess. The vlog sucked, but I can't wait for all this new content that's about to... If only y'all knew, bro. If only y'all knew. Y'all think y'all know, but you don't know. You don't know what I... Let's go. Nephew! Hey, yo. Nephew, tell him about how you got the girl, bro. You gotta tell him about... update the fam on what's been going on with your life. Right, what grade you in now?
Alright, so...
What grade you in?
I just went to the 8th grade.
Yeah.
Alright, so
put the camera on you, man. You gotta put the camera and talk up.
Alright, so look. So, last year I met this girl, right?
Yeah.
She was Puerto Rican or...
She's Puerto Rican? You found out what she was?
Yeah.
You asked her?
Puerto Rican and Latino.
Puerto Rican and what?
Latino.
She's Puerto Rican. Hold on, put the camera on me. She's Puerto Rican and Latino. My boy got him on Bruce Jenner. Hey, I feel you, now.
Alright, so look. Well, last year we met, right?
Yeah.
And then this year, last year I didn't want to talk to her at all.
Why not?
Because I thought she was like a thought.
You thought she was a thought?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So, this year, I decided to talk to her. And like, he came to pick me up on Friday.
Yeah.
And he saw me talking to her.
Your nephew was spitting game. I felt proud of my little Neff.
So look, she wanted my number. She wanted my number to FaceTime me, but I don't have an iPhone, so I said I couldn't.
Aww. And that's an update on Nephew's life. That boy got him a Latino Puerto Rican. Wow. She Puerto Rican and Latino for real? She Latino. I date a Latino too, dog. Guess where we at right now? Travis, what's up, bro? Y'all remember the job front tag? Travis is doing all tight. Boy got case swaps for days. Wow. So you're in the prepping stages right now of body work?
Yeah. It is. Remember how that big
That
chip and
oh shit, that's all gone.
I took it down. The car was your color. It was red. It was
oh
brown,
wow.
And then it was this color. So I had to go through paper.
Oh
paper,
damn, yeah, you going ham.
Oh my God, we got a Mustang.
Yeah, Travis got a Mustang, a bike. Travis doing a lot of shit, man.
Yeah, you see how I had that? It gives it that
Yeah.
third.
That's why I kept mine too. I didn't want to do it. I wanted to keep it. I just kept mine. I didn't want to do the.
I have it. I'm gonna. I thought the painting now.
Well, yeah, cause you already going for paint. I mean, you can.
The oil pump in the car in it isn't original. Joey changed the oil pump for some other company.
Wait, so he changed? Wait, it's not a Type S oil pump in there? Oh, I go to Type S. Hell no.
It was a Type S, but
Yeah, but he changed it
another
out.
company.
Oh, it's still a.
It's some brand new oil pump. And then
So what is the Z3 or A2?
A2.
Oh, so you got the good one. You got the good one. Let me get the head off it, bro. You don't need it. Which one is that one? A3? Yeah, the base.
Don't kill me, bro.
I'm gonna try my best not to.
Don't kill me. Alright, look, man. I haven't seen him in forever, so I asked him to take me for a ride. Because I just moved back.
on the back. Travis finally back on his side of town again.
Yeah.
Now we got a K-Swap project in the works on his bill.
You already know.
Must be nice, bro. I wish one day I could go to K-Swap.
Are you brake boosting the one?
If it wasn't raining,
You're a race car driver.
bro, if it wasn't raining, man, that would have been a much better pool. I'm not used to like that shit spinning like that. I'm not used to it, so like that's why I kept it in that regular one for so long.
Yeah, I hate it. Isn't that, I heard Randy blew up the house?
Yeah, Randy blew up. They don't even know that, but yeah, Randy blew up. I put something like 2 weeks ago.
So, I was gonna get this customer.
Make the needle dance.
Right? Yeah, it seems like Percy's been getting some seat time in.
I'm trying.
Because when he was a stance boy, you guys should remember that. So, it was hard. We used to go to the track. We had to explain to him how to drive the car.
I still can't lunge properly.
Yeah, he'll get it.
I can't lunge. Yeah, I gotta like tap the gas instead of hold it down. I gotta like feather it.
You can't judge the boy. It's raining right now. You don't see these puddles and stuff?
Yeah, bro. I'm not used to like.
Non-LSD, it ain't gonna happen.
That ain't doing nothing.
You're doing the work. Not fast, man. So tell me, what's it make? 800? 850?
About 999.
Oh, man. Is it rep to 11? Oh, this snaps.
Yeah, my shit nice, bro. Hey, y'all hungry? Because I'm hungry. Or not. I just like, walk through the regular garage door because that's what I do. Pops!
What's up?
What's up, man?
Where?
Nowhere. Chilling.
Film?
No. Yeah, a little bit. Randy, why you ain't get my text, bro?
I just did call me.
So you wasn't gonna come get me anyway?
Nah.
For real? You wasn't gonna come get me, bro? Wow, bro. Well, that is going to conclude today's and yesterday's vlog. What else do I say? I have Kato, what the heck? My dog is a bad dog. But thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. For this week's content lineup, I honestly have no idea what I'm going to be, come on, Kato. Daddy coming, playboy. Daddy coming. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing this week of content besides this weekend, because y'all just don't know. I'm assembling the Avengers. Everything starts September 1st. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out. Peace.